Hello friend, this is from Cable Machinery Technology Company in China. For this video, I would like to make a simple test for the vacuum performance of the new finished 10 liters model lab scale needle mixer for US client used in pitch or asphalt material mixing industry. Before the vacuum started, I have to fasten the 4 bolts on the 4 corners of the top lid. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fasten them, and then I would like to check the valves. This is a vacuum release valve. I must close it. This is a vacuum connected valve. Keep it open. And this is a waste drain valve. Keep it closed. And now we can start the vacuum pump. Now it works. And the vacuum degree is increasing. This is an automatic control vacuum meter. We can set the up and down limit to make it working automatically. So we can set 0.08 or 7, and the pump will working automatically. Just make a display for it. So just now I have made a simple display for the vacuum performance of it and how to use it. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Cable Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.